Now, I might be biased, but to me, this city, my city, Dublin, is one of the greatest cities in the world. It's beautiful, it's historic, it's a lot of fun, it's very friendly, it's got everything. Add in the fact that almost 50% of the population is aged under 25, and you start to see why Dublin is consistently ranked one of the top cities in the world to study abroad in. FIE offers enrolment at 3 of Dublin's highly ranked and historic academic institutions, a student residence right here in the heart of the city centre, and an extracurricular calendar jam-packed with fun and exciting opportunities.
The biggest benefit for our FIE DBS students is the variety of courses on offer. Everything from psychotherapy to literature, and from accountancy to criminology. And we generally teach in small groups, 10, 15 students. And obviously there may be the only student from the USA in that class. And the big thing that I see is the benefits of integration for our students, Irish students, and for the US students. They talk about it and we talk about it.
I decided to study in Ireland because it just seemed like the right place. I have a little Irish heritage, so in my Irish Life and Cultures class I learned that my mom's maiden name McQuincy is from the north.
The Irish Life and Cultures module is a module that all of the American Study Abroad students take. And it's an academic course, but outside of the class we have study tours. We go to Northern Ireland where we study the peace process. We go to the west of Ireland where we study ancient ruins, ancient languages of Ireland. We go to Croke Park, which is the headquarters of Gaelic sports in Ireland, an incredibly important part of Irish society.
So, we know Dublin is great, but one of the truly unique things about the FIE experience is that you get to leave the city and explore the rest of this stunningly beautiful island. Our study tours form a key part of the FIE experience and often lead to some of the students' fondest memories of Ireland.
The study tour has been great so far. The Aran Islands with the breathtaking views and the cliffs and the rolling greens, it's just been everything and more than what I imagined. It's amazing. And yesterday on the mainlands of Galway, we got the Irish clatterings, which was just fantastic to get something, a piece of history that originated in the place that we're studying. It's just, it's really unreal.
So here at FIE, we aim to give you the deepest and most exciting experience of Ireland possible. The greatest thing about this city, it can be whatever you want it to be. A big friendly village where you can't walk down the street without bumping into someone you know, or a modern European capital right on the cutting edge of innovation and technology. In that spirit, it's our hope that we can help you become whatever you want to be. We promise, you won't be disappointed.